Hey, everyone! Today, we're exploring the American twist on the classic chicken quesadilla. Not only will we show you how to make this delicious dish, but we'll also uncover some little-known facts about it. Stick around for some tasty surprises. So, what exactly is a chicken quesadilla? This dish is a perfect fusion of flavors, featuring a tortilla filled with cheese and chicken, then cooked until the cheese is perfectly melted. It's a favorite for many, and today, we're adding an American twist to it. The term quesadilla comes from the Spanish word queso, meaning cheese. Did you know that the origin of quesadillas dates back to the 16th century in Mexico? Early versions were quite different from what we enjoy today, often filled with ingredients like pumpkin and mushrooms. In the United States, quesadillas have taken on their own identity. The American version often includes a variety of cheeses, cooked chicken, and sometimes even a mix of different spices and sauces to cater to diverse palates. Chicken quesadillas aren't just tasty, they're nutritious too. Chicken provides lean protein, and when you add veggies like bell peppers and onions, you get a boost of vitamins and fiber. Choosing whole wheat tortillas can add even more health benefits. Did you know there are various ways to cook quesadillas? You can grill them, bake them, or even use an air fryer for a healthier option. Each method brings out different textures and flavors. For a quick meal, many prefer to cook them on a stovetop griddle or skillet. While traditional Mexican quesadillas might use Oaxaca cheese, American versions often include cheddar, Monterey Jack, or even a spicy pepper jack cheese for a bit of a kick. Mixing cheeses can give you a complex and satisfying flavor. In the US, the chicken quesadilla has become a staple in many households and restaurants. It's quick to prepare, versatile, and customizable, which makes it a favorite for busy weeknights and casual dining. Did you know that different regions in the US have their own takes on the chicken quesadilla? In the Southwest, you might find quesadillas with added spices and green chilies, while in California, they might include avocados and fresh cilantro. Now, let's get to the fun part, making our American chicken quesadilla. You'll need shredded chicken, a blend of cheeses, your choice of tortilla, and any additional fillings you like. Let's start cooking. Once your quesadilla is golden brown and crispy, it's time to serve. Cut it into wedges and serve with sides like guacamole, sour cream, and salsa. Adding a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime can enhance the flavor. Here's an interesting historical tidbit. The Aztecs used tortillas as a base for various toppings, similar to modern-day quesadillas. They filled them with ingredients like beans, squash, and chili peppers long before the introduction of cheese. Quesadillas have evolved significantly over time. Originally, they were made by folding a single tortilla over the filling, but today, many people make them by sandwiching the filling between two tortillas, creating a heartier meal. In Tex-Mex cuisine, quesadillas often include ingredients like grilled vegetables, steak, and even seafood. This fusion cuisine has introduced quesadillas to a broader audience and diversified the ingredients used. Quesadillas have inspired similar dishes worldwide. In Italy, you'll find piadine, which are flatbreads filled with cheese and other ingredients, while in India, stuffed parathas offer a similar concept with different spices and flavors. For those looking to make a healthier quesadilla, consider using whole wheat or gluten-free tortillas, lean proteins like grilled chicken or tofu, and plenty of fresh vegetables. You can also reduce the cheese or use low-fat varieties to cut down on calories. Quesadillas aren't just for lunch or dinner. Breakfast quesadillas are becoming increasingly popular, filled with scrambled eggs, bacon, spinach, and cheese. It's a quick and delicious way to start your day. While guacamole and salsa are classic dips for quesadillas, why not try something different? Creamy avocado ranch, spicy chipotle mayo, or a tangy yogurt-based tzatziki can add a new dimension to your quesadilla experience. In Mexico, there are artisans known as quesadilleras, who specialize in making quesadillas. These vendors often use family recipes and traditional techniques, ensuring that each quesadilla is a masterpiece of flavor and tradition. In Mexican street markets, quesadillas are a popular snack. They're typically cooked on a large, flat griddle called a comal, and you can watch as your quesadilla is prepared fresh to order, right before your eyes. Did you know there's a bit of science behind the perfect quesadilla? Cheese melts differently based on its moisture and fat content. High-moisture cheeses like mozzarella create a gooey texture, while aged cheeses add a sharper flavor. Combining different cheeses can give you the best of both worlds. Quesadillas have made their mark in pop culture, too. From appearing in movies and TV shows to being mentioned in popular songs, this simple yet delicious dish has captured the hearts of many around the world. Did you know there are even quesadilla making competitions? Chefs and home cooks alike compete to create the most innovative and delicious quesadilla recipes, showcasing their culinary creativity and love for this versatile dish. Fusion quesadillas are taking the culinary world by storm. Think about combining flavors from different cuisines, like a Korean barbecue chicken quesadilla or a Mediterranean-inspired quesadilla with hummus and feta cheese. Yes, there are quesadilla festivals. These events celebrate the beloved dish with a variety of quesadilla vendors, live music, and activities, bringing together food lovers to enjoy all things quesadilla. For your next party, consider setting up a DIY quesadilla bar. Provide a selection of tortillas, cheeses, proteins, and toppings so guests can create their own custom quesadillas. It's a fun and interactive way to enjoy this dish. Looking for an eco-friendly option? Use plant-based ingredients and organic tortillas to make your quesadillas. You can even try using reusable silicone bags instead of plastic to store your ingredients. In some parts of Mexico, quesadillas are considered a form of culinary art. Chefs meticulously arrange ingredients to create beautiful, edible masterpieces that are as pleasing to the eye as they are to the palate. Pairing your quesadilla with the right drink can elevate your dining experience. A cold Mexican beer, a tangy margarita, or a refreshing agua fresca can complement the rich flavors of your quesadilla perfectly. And there you have it, a delicious chicken quesadilla with a side of fascinating facts. I hope you enjoyed learning about the history and versatility of this dish. If you try this recipe at home, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.